So today, Duncan Williams is telling us that the NDC boys, they've never worked in their life. Sir. Oh, really? Target. And yes, landlord obey too. Because they are been 4 way by Namun Kaisen and Senya. What can I say? Sebion Prediasa. Abronya Koka send me my yan de. Enunti Oko Israel.
I was a woman about the bag Ghana and CMTV. So, Bowman is like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no attend notification. Then next time, videos of this channel also submit to my camp. Send me on the piano. If I'm Mr. President, to from Mr. President, and I just somehow say, Madaroma. Now, Bowman is like video, no subscribe to the channel. Come on, my favorite. By chance, you would want to contribute to our studio work, sir. Being it sound, internet, lights, everything. But you'll reach out through number and that's it. Yes, I can better was a pound. So now,
Felix, my Sunday back on it. Felix,
me call her continuity. See, I'm a boy, and I'm a boy, no afra. Yeah, my adio. Hey, Alu, Muha, and then the Muha, they are channel. Can finish loading. Hey, and then the Muhar Karaf, Urkaf, or Sorokasa. And this is for the West. Say, what's up, Papa? We. Me say, Nana do Nyame a otias you. Nana do Nyame a otias ya. Nana do Nyame a otias you. Nana do Nyame a otias ye. Bawo mi Nyame otias you.
For their party to come to power, even though they don't have capacity,
to come to power,
they are giving position.
And they are of capacity. We preaching more. So you could have messed Yankopon be gum anymore as a mo, you be gum anymore as ya, most out of 4 when you be gum anymore, you be gum anymore as you be gum anymore say, we are pay for us of war. Obisa fellas, you are not serious, so cry. Oh, me serious. Baby. I mean, you crossing in influencer. Now, memfa new video number. Okay, we need a side by side into my menu influencer. Me pen kwasi ade no kwasi asam ye be papa unimi ana unimi. E ba se yenimi a be jimi full hour. Ya nya hwe neba. You like you are there. You are look for
legality.
kwasi aba akusu ni ye ba ne so. Omo kwasi aburo fo no omo kwatena TV so keka aye no. Ye be kirem. Ocupacity ne wa city ni na obi abegini ni twase din na yanko.
To acknowledge open.
Na do crash nya botre na Friday. E be the form of Friday dey ha no sa na ye no why. E ma na nya mama. Friday do ugro the to illegality, opacity. Oh, I don't know if you ask somebody na dey say ah. And then the form of Fancho, right?
As they push for their party to come to power.
Wait, man of God, wait. I say wait. Hey, man of God, wait. You push for Onye to come to power. Yankobi, Inti Bedukobi, what's the name? Yeah, part 1 and 2. Fight of the Titans.
You were waiting for a political party to build auditorium for you. What kind of man of God are you?
Cheap man.
And now you come and say, the president's come me.
Yeah.
What a shame. You didn't let this come from your mouth. No president helped me. I built my auditorium. No president helped when he built his auditorium. No president helped other men of God. They built that. Only you want politicians to build for you. What a shameful man. Disgraceful man.
You go reach everybody.
You are getting money, buying cars. Doing nonsense things.
Yes, nonsense.
Waiting for a political party. What a shame.
Hey. And
followers will never say something which is right. Nonsense.
Now bedu ko bisa na ate. Hey, nenti so for penny ben papa na wetumi aye ne sa no. Yay. Obi says left with Ajinasari and Kranchanka very soon, very soon. Okay. Now, and Metia Kasa na minya new mail from the United States of America on White House. See le down on here. Ellen baby info amadeko. And odifli White House de breme. Mopacho mo yenko tie na matese bombo ato. Yenko tie mra, yankwe.
A push for their party to come to power.
Yeah.
Even though they don't have capacity,
Can you imagine?
they are given position without capacity.
What?
They misbehave. And they have wives who will never tell their husband, you have never worked before.
Hey, Debbie. Sofo. No, Sofo. We are not going, no, Sofo, no. You are not going to do that. No, or a pastor and a reverend and a Dr. Duncan Williams and no there. Or no, not there. Sofo. Pastor, Debbie, pastor, not just what to know you so. Reverend, my boy. Hey, Debbie, Archbishop. Hey. Archbishop, this one we shall not allow you. Archbishop, you cannot say that. How can you say they are not working? They are working. They are work for NDC. They work together with you to insult Nanado, to tell Nanado that the dollar must stop. The dollar, I raised the city. So they worked. Hey, now, right there. Kwesi. Abotre, ate. Abotre. So today, Duncan Williams is telling us that the NDC boys, they've never worked in their life. Sir. Oh, really? Target. And yes, landlord obey too. Because they are been 4 way by an among guys and ansenya. What can I say? Sebion prediasa. Abronya koka sembi manyan de. Enunti oko Israel. Eko jare wo red Jordan mu. Eba ba Ghana. Se osuru kasa, se wonu won ketwi. Won ka brofo. Woka osuru kasa yeti kromu ha. Ano pega na ni hwa pepo. Ano ka kuhum kaha muha me na me fi se wifo yen yetem. Ye jina ho Emma Duncan William the wifo tem, we base tem. Ebe ka kire ye say yo osuru kasa. Da be no kumo ye nim se kumo eja na so ye se kumo ye osuru kasa enu nti ye de adome abronye nti na abronye ho eye febe. Ma jeno was na me na nim se duabon ese nipa me nim se duabon ma nipa ye fine. And now me share me chairman na say so chairman ye jalala se ne kakra. Am say chairman ho ya kono papa. Abronye ho ya kono. Na say duabon bi tumi siesie nipa sei. E na ya nkwaji bi ame de osu be mpa nko na me ma ne bo mi dua yi. Sanka Duncan Williams bo mi dua ka ma bra bo asesa. E na hwa abronye de awayo. No me toche. Unya chairman po. Na say ya iba omi ase onko janu wa sorry dem yi. Okwa church service. Na chairman has say ni tiri ho kama na hwe ne shirt kama bi e send pass yes. We a lawyer ni papa abronya we correct. Yet na ha Ghana for na ha Emma Duncan William Betutu Pimpinis say koko boto anyama. Koko boto anyama say wonu no soro di bibia se nanum nti abronya wawu. No betina ho kumo na msi yo we ne sa de be yew. Was so for we do so for over 50 years so that so bo we ya kra here you kra they say ni bebre jai. They say ya no mu bi kra ti ana bi no mo de yo. One we ya konum we ya de akoka so kasa na kumo na wo ka kumo na mu so oboa na me ka say duabo we enko ba bia. Oye kumo kuhu kaha na me so oboa. Duncan Williams so boa nyanko pon ankoka kumo bi akokumo eye yen ghetto boys eye kasa. Yakumo eye peace and love. That is our language. Yen we for no de aye no. Rastaman throw one stone no ochia we ni no atwe kakra no ayi no otwe mi kumu no we dia mukuwa na eko kumu Babe dada Ghana for say osuru Nyame de ade aso ntino o man 72 hours. If the God I serve is still there, then 72 hours, oh, the heavens will change. Mala, mula, muta. And then they did the job. Into a being a juma. Archbishop. And then the way I wear Sabas and telling them more, baby, I will be say. Any idea you go to need a Japadi, I'm almost a woman. I told you people the Bible you hold will disgrace you people before this guy's term comes to an end. You people thought I was joking. Me bejina hakame say before their term goes to an end, every pastor who calls our prayer meeting be everyone sakoto Mahama so say we ni Nyame dobano you will suffer the consequence cause what say Ghana for that thing? What say Ghana nkola that thing? What say Ghana koko for? What say Ghana kria for that thing? That is the principle. You don't use politics to cover your face to destroy somebody. Destroy. Come to power and think that, oh no, who say you'll be a would be the idea, no, who be the kama. Eh? Who be do see ko be the G? Dab no, be do see ko be the G. Ah, oh, and pa bono krasa obi di aba. Empire born in here, and son, you mess abon there, you know. Say no cost start here. Katum sabum lamatum, sadukatum, lakadatum, elumtum, kabum, kwasiakasa say, you better say, Yankopon the can we. Onyame sira why kodo me da say. Why? Me da say pass what tro dia ba, nkwasiasem we no okeka no ho no. Katum sabum lamatum yoyate, sadukatum yoyate, lakadatum yoyate, elimatum kabum ya yo ebebom kabum ebebom. You people think God is going to watch you to destroy innocent souls' life, destroy the lives of innocent kids who don't have no helper. Because of your Range Rover, you guys are going to pay for it, Papa. You think it's a joke? Hey, Mami Tio last time, I'm free.
How come
Nyam Ghana, you know, Lubuden. Nya national development in Temi Budano. We must be bold so that Obirija, when that politics, you know, they are reward and punishment. So once I can reward now, you can get the punishment.
No, say Marcus.
Magda, Daniel, and the Nyame Guabontene. Magda, the Nyame Guabontru Gunsum.
MPP fast. Yes. When Jano Yagani, Magdano Ovi,
Magda, Daniel, and the Nyame Guabontene.
Ovi da home.
Yeah, you never Guabontene.
Magdano Ovi da home. Next time you got to a bar. NDC on him, don't mind me, Muntum Kada Bibi down, but all your mistake no question down be.
And I'm no Cassay, me no Cassas is here, Casua on Mendra. A police a coach where you ubikunu, dear Sema. Asuma ne yere son koto prepaid or to prepaid no 200 Ghana cedis in the 3 days. Wa bon yiri na suma na nia hono endro mo kofa no. President Mahama first one or buy part 1 ugu aware bebre true dum so. Part 2 sisi osanso ugu aware through aviator electricity prepaid aviator wakofa dia ba beto yeso.
Na President Mahama oba wa kramita bi.
Na on kramita man akufo at the time na say na yetua electricity wa hanum sa na yeto prepaid ukroma. Wonko a wo buy nsema wo kan wo ka kire say wo be man cheap electricity. Wo buy ya wo de akọ 28 ahia% water and then kwofo nchichire ice block. Enso ay sine so mo ye vortic e wo mu fie. Aden pin ko so o man mu kofo bra na ebre kire se dum so asanso unity ene me no ka se adenta kire ho no kofo the light dadum so mu 24 hours yen so o light. What is happening in this country? Anani yakasa mo so me yaka aso bia suro papa no wokrom ha obi asuro President Akufo-Addo ne John Mahama wan na ye pani ni bi so asem President Akufo-Addo ene John Mahama wan na ye pani